باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. We the followers of Muhammad and Ali Muhammad alayhi salatu wassalam. We the followers of Amir al-Mu'mineen Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salatu wassalam. We condemn the terrorist attack that took place in Quetta in Pakistan. The Hazara community of Pakistan has been faced against these terrorist attacks for the past 9 years. But now it is the time for all of the Shia all over the world, or shall I say, this is not just a Sunni and Shia issue, but this is an issue for humanity. This is an issue that concerns all of the Muslims, because Islam is a religion of peace, and every single Muslim who believes in Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, we the followers of Muhammad and Ali Muhammad alayhi salatu wassalam, we condemn these attacks, and we stand with the Hazara community. We stand with the Shia community of Hazara, and we are reminding the world that no matter where in the world a terrorist attack takes place, we the followers of Muhammad and Ali Muhammad alayhi salatu wassalam, we have always stood with the innocent, and we will always stand with those people that are innocent, because the Hazara community, their people, their mothers and daughters and sons and husbands have been murdered, they have been killed, they have been slaughtered openly in Pakistan, and the government of Pakistan has still not taken any action. This is a time for us to unite. This is a time for us to come together. This is a time to raise our voices for the Hazara community, and to let the world know that we stand against terrorism. We see that it has been 4 days. The families of the Shahada are sitting and waiting for justice. They want justice, and inshallah we the followers of Muhammad and Ali Muhammad, we will raise our voices until they get justice. When Yazid came out with forces against the family of Rasulullah, did Hussain ibn Ali stay quiet? No, he did not. Hussain raised his voice, reminded the people that we are the followers of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. We stand with the people of Hazara. We stand with the people of Quetta. We stand with the people of Balochistan. Every Shia who is being killed because he is a follower of Muhammad and Ali Muhammad, because he is a believer of the wilayat of Ali ibn Abi Talib. We stand with that person, we stand with that community, we stand with that society, and until our last breath we will support them with the slogan Labbaik ya Hussain, Labbaik ya Hussain, Labbaik ya Hussain. I would like to remind all of the Shia of the West, and not just the Shia, but all Muslims who believe in Tawheed and Risalat, because we are all united under the banner of Tawheed and Risalat, and all those people who have a heart and who stand against injustice. Raise your voices within your communities, within your circles, within your society, so that these so-called terrorists, these killers, these murderers, they have no place to hide. We today want justice for the Hazara community. We are raising our voices, and we are telling the world, stop Shia genocide. No matter which country it is in, whether it is in Yemen, whether it is in Syria, whether it is in Iraq, whether it is in places where people are saying they are protecting Muslims, but in return they are killing innocent Muslims. We find that for the past 9 years, the Hazara community, the Balochistan community, the Shia of Amir al-Mu'mineen Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salatu wassalam, have been brutally killed and murdered. They have been martyred only because of their belief in Ali ibn Abi Talib. For 9 years, mothers have been burying their sons, sisters have been burying their brothers, daughters have been burying their fathers, and we have seen that there are many families in the Hazara community that at this moment in time do not have a male in their family to bury the Shahada. Raise your voices, come out of your houses, and if you cannot due to COVID, then raise your voices on social media platforms. Use the hashtag Stop Shia Genocide, Stop Shia Killings, help the people of Hazara, stand with the people of Hazara, and ask the world for justice.